Hello, it's Eric Zorn from the ITC interview process. These are my mockups and my app idea. So my app idea, as you can see here, I thought of an app called Time Saver. And the problem that it's trying to solve pretty much is it connects via maps and GPS to your clock and your alarm. So essentially you can set an alarm like if you have to wake up or go somewhere at a specific time, and the app in the background is calculating the data constantly of when you need to leave according to traffic results of your route to your destination. So a quick mock-up I did was pretty much you start and you choose a date to set your alarms, and I wrote Time Saver is an app designed to ensure that you are at your destination on time, whether you are afraid of being late to work, on your way to class, or meeting up with friends and family. There is nothing in your way. We alert you depending on the traffic to your destination. So as you can see here, today is the 24th. So the date was highlighted the 24th. You click submit, and the basic layout, the app would be a search bar, possibly to search the many alarms or dates that you have. As you can see here, this is the current date that you selected with the hamburger style menu at the top, and on the left you see all the little clock symbols. Those stand for each individual alarm. As you can see here, the multiple times and which is set active and which is set not active. And this is just an example of possibly what the drop-down menu would look like of each hour simply. At the bottom, as we go down, you start to see you can turn all of your alarms on or off at the same with a click of a button, and you can see your recent activity, which we'll get to in the next slide. And at the bottom here is a basic plug-in map of Google Maps or another map application with like a red line showing your destination. You can set your alarm volume. So let's say we turned all of our alarms on. This would be a simple alert you might get. It says traffic en route, please leave now to be on time. So if you have to be somewhere, you can make sure that you're there on time due to the traffic. You can either snooze it and go back, and or you can say thanks, and your destination will be set for your GPS. Now, the person can interact with the application via gestures with their fingers on their phone, and they can place pins as you see here, or you can also select different locations on the map, such as your starting location as your current location, your home, your work, etc. And then you can choose your destination, either your home, work, your friend's house, and then you click confirm. And this would be when you set your alarm. And it says your location has been set for alarm 1. So essentially, it's hard to demonstrate via wireframes, but when you set your alarm, it will ask you for your destination and your original point that you're starting at, and you can set the alarm specifically for that destination. So as you can see here, we go back, and the hamburger style menu will be more of a menu that drops down and allows you to navigate each of the screens, but for now it brings you back to the home screen, and that's Time Saver. So just briefly, this as I was not able to touch on before, is the recent activity chart. So pretty much on a very basic level, this would just describe the different amounts of activity that you've seen due to your alarms and your travel per week according to your maps and how many alarms you've set. And once again, you would access it through here. So you click recent activity, and you can see the chart. There will be titles and different colors, pretty much describing to the user different types of actions and different times a day that their alarms and their travel had been done. So that's my app. I appreciate your time, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Thank you very much.